Hey YouTube, I bought this CarPro version 7.28 from the OBD SOS website. This is the website. Justin, which is my seller, told me that can change the odometer on a car millimeters, but I got it yesterday, and when I start the program on my PC, I confirmed that this thing can't change the odometer, but can only do a programming on a chips. In my opinion, this CarPro it's a shit version. Let's do another test. Another test. Now I think can change the
maybe go.
the odometer. Maybe now work with some chips and I can change the odometer.